Some say it's about natural talent. We say it's about strategy, discipline, tactics, and training to be the best. We say it's about persistence. We say success comes when preparation meets opportunity. We say it's all about the team. Capex.com, Juventus official trading partner. Chase your goals.
Are you a trader? Then this is your chance to show your skills. Sign up to the ultimate demo trading competition on Capex.com. Easy to register, no sign-up fee. Go now to Capex.com. Search for the competition and sign up now to win. Terms and conditions apply. Capex.com is operated by JME Financial Services Pty Ltd, an authorized financial services provider. Join the competition today. Capex.com.
Look, I'm exhausted. Had it all figured out and I lost it. They say that's the cost, but it just feels like a lot. Stop, are you going or not? I miss certainty. Miss the 9 to 5s, knowing exactly where I need to be and why I'm not built for this. Progress moves in slow motion. They're out making money and getting promotions, saying all the right things, pulling all the right levers. While I sit here, write my future self love letters. Who's winning? Is this the end or beginning? 'Cause I'm starting to feel like reality's slipping, and bank accounts, they aren't very forgiving, and life on edge feels like falling, not living. If effort brings victory, what am I missing? Nothing good comes easy. When we have to, we push through, not knowing completely. You're here because you're made for this next level, taking these places that most people won't. Start embracing it. Who cares what they do? They're not you. You'll go through more now than you think you're supposed to, but that shows you can cope with the highs and the lows, because you rose to be more. Could have run away, could have avoided the thorns, could have been comfortable. Blood, sweat, and tears, they're expendable. No more pretending, man, build something memorable. Don't drink from their cup or by stories they tell, because when all their time's up, you'll have dug your own well. You didn't use lifelines, you're topped off for a lifetime, so drop all those one-liners. We'll get them next time. No, this time is your time, and whatever you decide will end up being real life. No stop signs, just storylines. This whole thing is a misunderstanding, a miscalculation. Jumped and missed the landing. I'm mystified, I can waste so much time. These ovations are strictly imagination, not standing. So much for planning, guess fate left without me. Those failure statistics, yeah, they'll be about me. Was overly optimistic, forgot the logistics. Guess we all learn sometime, don't we? Good is not good enough, no. How long do I stay down before I let go? I buried my pride and took it inside, but never enough. It takes a toll, it gets old getting told you've got miles of road left to go. You're alone with this future unknown. Just go home. Just go home, it's safe there. Yeah, I'll find some embrace there. Look, it's time to admit defeat, a humble retreat. Check the box and complete to my core. Intrinsically, it's not for me, I can't do this. I knew this is how it would be. No fame, no fortune, no names on marquees, just running in place every day on repeat. This is the world I want to see, where everything's taken with no guarantees. No, come on, man, pick your head up. Go back inside, half a life's learning to get up. How can I make you see that you have everything you need, and what you want to be is never out of reach? Fate deceives sometimes, but destiny's calling, so can't let the phone ring. You know there's no all-knowing. Go level up, no letdowns. Let the world in, push fear out. It's self-belief, it starts right now. When hell freezes, you lay down. Until then, it's your town, it's your story, it's your crown. Live in the clouds, feet on the ground. They stand still, you run around. Go mesmerize, where they socialize. There's dollar signs to be maximized. If you live it right, regret nothing. Loud applause, the sweetest sound. And this moment won't happen again, and never becomes forever unless you choose to begin. So see greatness in each step, and power in progress. Your future, yeah, that's limitless, it's infinite. Don't forget you want this.
Be the kind of trader who sees the big picture. The world is changing around you. Global threats push gold, the safe haven asset, to higher prices each and every day. Now's your chance to start trading gold. Just go to capex.com and register to get up to a $5,000 bonus on your first deposit. Simply use GOLD5000 as a promo code and you're good to go. Capex.com proudly welcomes you to the next level trading experience. Register now and start taking full advantage of the new gold rush. Terms and conditions apply. Exposure to gold obtained via contracts for difference, which are leveraged products and incur a high level of risk. Capex.com is operated by JME Financial Services, Pty Ltd, an authorized financial services provider.
Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Ted Turner. Success leaves clues, kids. I just named 5 of the greatest names in business in the last 150 years. And they all have one thing in common. They're ball busters. They're hard as nails. Where does that leave you? I still work 50, 60 hours a week. And I haven't had to work in 35 years. You're not willing to do anything. You're not willing to sacrifice anything to be a high-performance person.
I don't want to be like Dad.
No, most people don't.
I want to be liked.
Yeah, well, see, you want to fit in. I'm the only speaker that you're ever going to hear that really, with all his heart, doesn't give a shit. If I leave here you liking me, I did something wrong.
Are you a trader? Then this is your chance to show your skills. Sign up to the ultimate demo trading competition on capex.com. Easy to register, no sign-up fee. Go now to capex.com. Search for the competition and sign up now to win. Terms and conditions apply. Capex.com is operated by JME Financial Services, Pty Ltd, an authorized financial services provider. Join the competition today. Capex.com. Are you a trader? Then this is your chance to show your skills. Sign up to the ultimate demo trading competition on capex.com. Easy to register, no sign-up fee. Go now to capex.com. Search for the competition and sign up now to win. Terms and conditions apply. Capex.com is operated by JME Financial Services, Pty Ltd, an authorized financial services provider. Join the competition today. Capex.com.
Some say it's about natural talent. We say it's about strategy, discipline, tactics, and training to be the best. We say it's about persistence. We say success comes when preparation meets opportunity. We say it's all about the team. Capex.com, Juventus official trading partner. Chase your goals.
Are you a trader? Then this is your chance to show your skills. Sign up to the ultimate demo trading competition on capex.com. Easy to register, no sign-up fee. Go now to capex.com. Search for the competition and sign up now to win. Terms and conditions apply. Capex.com is operated by JME Financial Services, Pty Ltd, an authorized financial services provider. Join the competition today. Capex.com.
The champ is here! 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 The
Good afternoon and welcome to Bull Market Stock Show. This is your host Rian Hobson, and we're preparing for the festive season, and also we're sitting in limbos in South Africa waiting for the president to make his decision tonight, which I feel is totally unfair. To scare people over festive season time where people are supposed to be happy and going out without any uncertainty. But now we have to wait for the president to make a decision on based on the recent spike in the resurgence of COVID, which I feel is absolutely unfair. And I don't understand the whole thing. And I mean, South Africa's medical profession is really doing well by decreasing the amount of death of COVID-19 patients, but surely they are more concerned about the new cases. I mean, South Africa have quite a large success rate of over 90% of success rate of people that are infected with COVID. So, I mean, if you have a 90% success rate, why do you have to lock the economy up? That is what I don't understand. I mean, they're infringing on people's rights, small businesses that wants to make money out of the whole festive season. I mean, the beaches, the taverns, the small business owners, the restaurants, the hotels, the B&Bs, the festivity, all of those things that goes with it, and the president just want to put a hold on that. That's insane. And I see also the people in the Eastern Cape wants to actually to lock down the beaches to contain the virus. I mean, that is totally insane. I mean, the kids are at home and want to go to the beach and enjoy themselves eating ice cream and all of those things. But now we have to wait for the president to make a speech tonight, and that is a bit unfair. But for those of you, we don't know what will he say tonight. We can only speculate. But there's some good things also coming out in the trading front, which I know there's quite an experienced trader that share me this principle of trading during the festive season time, and where most fund managers are actually on a break, and that is where the market is basically standing still. I will not say standing still, but moving in ranges actually. So in this thing where the market is moving in ranges, it was a few years ago where he told me about this festive season time, where the market is moving basically in ranges, and it doesn't really break support and resistance lines, especially if you look at the support line at the 1 day or a resistance lines on the 1 day chart. It's literally moving in ranges between the 1 day movements, or I would say the 1 day. If you look at the 1 day chart or the 4 hour chart, it normally just moves in those ranges. And that is what he actually said. Unless there is some significant news that came through which will take the attention of fund managers, then surely they will come back and open up trades and scare of what that news will say. But if there's nothing of significance, I don't think the Brexit news will have a major impact. I think the market is totally fatigued when it gets to the break. To the Brexit news, and obviously this time of the year is normally your commodity cycle, I would say, or the season for commodities to go up until March. So that is where you get support for your oil, your gold, and also other sort of commodities, your platinum, and also your commodity currencies, which is the Australian, New Zealand, and Canadian dollar, that normally goes up this time of the year. And then obviously the dollar do actually go down due to that a seasonal pattern that normally happen with your commodity currency. So mainly your fund managers are out and go on holiday, and that is where the best opportunity is for retail traders like me and yourself that wants to make money here. Now, one thing for sure, people like to use an AI, which is actually your artificial intelligence or your robots as we know it, and then just put it into ranges and trade quite aggressively during those ranges with the EI. But for those of you who don't have an EI, who just wants to trade normally, normally the cycle doesn't break your one day support or resistance, so it normally just move in those ranges. So this time of the year, a lot of technical traders do actually open up the taps and literally trade quite aggressively, like pushing up the volumes and hitting the ranges, and know that it gets to this point, then it will go down. So it's actually a pass for the market to actually boost a bit of trading, unless you are working with a very terrible broker. Then obviously the broker will not sleep because he needs to make sure that you lose money. But if you have a very trustable broker, like for example what I use, your CapEx is one, and then your FXTM is also the other one that I normally use to do trading, and those are very trusted brokers where you can actually guarantee yourself of making money at this time of the year because of the fund managers that is also on vacation and spending time with their family. So traders, you must take advantage of this week or two where the market is basically just moving in ranges and you can basically cash in this time. I actually tested it out of also like last year, year before, not last year, where I also just actually plot a few trades just on the 1 day chart and actually make quite a large chunk of money. I think it was about $3,000 in approximately in the 2 weeks. Obviously, it depends on your volume and how strong is your account to trade in this time. But it's a fairly easy time to trade because there's not significant impact of news, or news must be of very significance. For example, like in last year with the killing of Soleimani and also the scare of COVID. So that is actually disrupt the bit of the market. But for now, we know there's the vaccine coming, so the market is quite relaxed with the vaccine. And I think because of that, the market will have one direction where it goes up. Something out of the ordinary needs to happen, but you need to take into consideration that something can go wrong. But it needs to be something extremely strong, something very strong. Or maybe some powerful person pass away, or maybe someone get assassinated again, maybe in the Middle East, that will disrupt the oil, then push the oil prices up, or something very significant needs to happen for the market to react to that news. But other than that, it's just your support and resistance lines that do count, because there is no third party into the market, which I could say now the fund manager with a large amount of money to move the market. So for retail traders, this is your time to cash in, to actually trade aggressively and make some money. Because obviously when it gets to January, the second week in January, where the people are most of the fund managers are back from vacation, then you will sit with, obviously, then it's back to square one, where you have to watch now news and take into consideration also politics that goes with it. Next year, it will be a bit difficult because there's also now the transition from Donald Trump to Joe Biden. Maybe if it happens, I'm not saying it will happen, because Donald Trump do stand with a very good chance of turning around the election, but that is more next year's worry and not now. For now, as a retail trader, I think it's Christmas for you and you must take advantage of the trade. But you have to be careful also regarding your broker, because obviously there's a lot of fake brokers or brokers that are trading basically against you, which are not actually A-book brokers, but your B-book brokers. So please be careful on that one. And obviously you need to take the right broker for you to not have a problem in this situation. So I normally trade, as I said, with CapEx or FXTM, and you can go to our website to download these platforms for you and also register on these platforms. So do take advantage of this time of the year. It is an open sesame, I would say. So cash in for now and have an excellent Christmas also with the extra money that you'll be making, and also a very good new year. I will have my last show tomorrow, depending on what the president is saying tomorrow, because I will have to break down that news for you on what is the conditions of our maybe our new lockdown regulation. I just hope the president comes to his senses and say that people do have freedom as well, freedom of choice. That is what we do have as citizens, not just of South Africa, but across the world. So that is it from my side. Have a lovely trading day, and I'm sure you will make money today. And don't be shy to push those volumes slightly more up to cash in this paradise. So that is it from my side. Have a lovely Monday, and I will see you guys tomorrow again for the last show. Bye-bye.
The champ is here!